What's up, gamers, future gamers and parents? Today we're diving into the ultimate challenge of building a budget gaming PC for under 500 euros. Can you really get smooth gameplay, decent graphics and solid performance without breaking the bank? Stick around because I'm going to show you what parts to pick, how to build it, and of course how it performs in real games. Let's prove that you don't need a fortune to game and have fun. Let's shop for some components first. Let's go! It's a nice, calm, sunny Sunday morning where I'm just chilling with a coffee and enjoying the peace. The perfect start of the day. Until...
Dad, we need a gaming PC!
Whoa boys, take it easy. What's all that fuzz about?
We need a gaming PC.
I've heard you the first time, but why do you need a gaming PC?
Because all our friends from school have one, so we also need one.
Could you also use it for school to do your homework?
Yes, of course.
Okay, what do you guys have in mind?
Here, check this out.
Okay boys, let me see. What? 3,000 euros for a game PC? There's a second one. Oh boy. That's not going to happen, guys. This is all out of budget. Sorry guys, no can do.
No gaming.
Oh.
But tell me, what games do your friends at school play on their computer?
Roblox and
Fortnite.
Okay, challenge accepted. So, we can now start our research to see if we can find something for 500 euros. I don't think it will be easy to find something decent, but let's find out. They want to play Roblox and Fortnite with their friends, so let's focus on that. So I opened up a browser and a spreadsheet to keep track of our research. When building a PC, we always have 7 or 8 components. 8 if the CPU doesn't come with a boxed cooler, then we need some separate CPU cooling. So that's the difference. Guys, I made a mistake. Let's first find out what game specs we need and those games recommend. Well, let's go on the Fortnite site. Oh, here it is. Nice. Recommended. Next game, Roblox. I think for Roblox we don't need heavy duty equipment, so we'll base our research on what we'll get for Fortnite, and we'll see from there. I think we'll get something in between those two configurations. The i7 or Ryzen 7 is, I think, out of budget for our builds, so is the GPU. So let's see. Let's try and go for the Ryzen 7. We'll put this in our winkelmandje. From here I'll speed up the process because it will take some time to juggle around with all those components to get to the right price point. I am completing the spreadsheet with all the components. As mentioned before, I was building a setup with a Ryzen 7, and from there on all the other components were chosen.
Every time I think of you and it takes me to a special place in my mind where we can be together, and I still hope that you'll be mine forever, even though you're far away.
Here I finished my research for the first setup that I was trying to build, but as you can see, we're exceeding our 500 euro budget by some decent amounts, so we'll need to reassess what components to take, and we'll have to downgrade some of them. This is the moment where my batteries of the camera died, so you'll have to do it without my face on screen. Here you can see that I went from a Ryzen 7 to a Ryzen 5 to keep everything within budget. By downgrading to a Ryzen 5 and cheaper motherboards, we were able to upgrade our GPU to one with 8 gigs of RAM. Here it is, guys. We've made it. We're at 498.5 euros. Tax included. Shipping is free, so we did it. And that's the one we're going to order. I found everything, orders are in place, now we wait. In the next video, I'll unbox everything and start the build. Stick around, because I have some plans when this build is ready. Stay tuned and game on. I'll be happy to see you again in my next video.